How to connect AliExpress with Shopify. Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys first how to link your AliExpress account with your Shopify store. Then I will give you a simple process to dropship and import any AliExpress product to your Shopify store. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open AliExpress. As you know guys, AliExpress is one of the most e-commerce platform based in China that offers you a wide range of product at a competitive price. Then guys, make sure to finish this video till the end to be able to import and dropship any product from your AliExpress account to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First guys, open AliExpress. First guys, you need to create an account on your AliExpress by using your email address and or phone number. Then after creating your account on AliExpress, go directly to your Shopify store. Then guys, on the Shopify dashboard, go directly to the settings at the bottom, then hit on settings. Then guys, I will show you the easy method to import any product and link your AliExpress account to your Shopify. Then go and scroll down to apps and sales channel section. Then guys, go directly to Shopify App Store on the top. Then guys, in the search bar, tap AliExpress or DSers. For example, tap AliExpress. As you know guys, it gives you a bunch of different applications using AliExpress dropshipping, but I prefer to choose this one, DSers AliExpress dropshipping, because guys this application it's very easy to use for a beginner or a dropshipper. Then guys, and also is a free plan available, it's not paid version. Then hit on DSers AliExpress, then hit on install. Then guys, make sure to finish this video until the end to be able to dropship your first product on your Shopify from AliExpress. Then hit on install in the bottom. As you see guys, it's very easy. Then this is the dashboard of your DSers application. Then guys, you need first to log in and create an account on DSers, then authorize your application. Then hit on login and authorize. But guys, first make sure to create your DSers account and AliExpress account and Shopify store with the same email address. Then guys, go and open DSers. Then guys, you need to add your email address and your password. Then hit on login and authorize. Then guys, after creating your account, are you sure you want to use the currently logged in DSers account? Then hit on confirm. As you see, this is the same email address that I am using on AliExpress and Shopify. Then guys, this is the dashboard of your DSers application. But guys, before you dropship and import any product, first you need to add an extension to your Shopify. Then hit on home on the top. First you need to add the extension to your AliExpress or your browser. Then guys, hit on Chrome extension. Then hit on extension. You need to add the DSers AliExpress extension to your browser. Then hit on add extension. Then guys, wait a few seconds to download the extension on your browser, and downloading process. As you see guys, the extension was downloaded successfully to your browser. Then first guys, you need to manage your extension first. Then go directly to this extension icon on the top, then hit on extension, then scroll down to DSers section. Then first guys, make it pin and click on hit on three dots on the right side. Then guys, go directly to manage extension. Then guys, make sure to select all this section, this one, and also allow access to file. Then after selecting this these steps, go back to your extension. Then open your extension. As you see guys, and DSers account is needed in order to use your extension, log in or create your free account now. First guys, you need to create an account or log in with your email address, the same email address that you are using on AliExpress. Then guys, open your DSers extension, then hit on login. As you see guys, it's very easy to use DSers application for dropshipping and link your AliExpress account with your Shopify store. Then after linking and creating your account on DSers, now I will show you how to easily import products from AliExpress account to your Shopify store. Then guys, go and again click on DSers extension, then click on open AliExpress on the top. Now guys, after opening your AliExpress account, I will give you an example of choosing a random product, for example, and I will show you how to easily import your product from AliExpress to your DSers application, then how to add your product from DSers application to your Shopify store. Then guys, we'll select a random product, for example this one. Then guys, how is easily to add the product from your AliExpress to Shopify. Then guys, after choosing your product, for example this one is for a dropshipper product, nano tap double slide. Then guys, after, if you want this product to add it to your Shopify store, for example, just go directly to add to DSers on the bottom, then hit on add to DSers. This product has already been imported because I have already imported this product to my DSers account. Then I will show another example, for example this one, or we'll choose this one. I prefer this one. Then guys, this is the product. Then wait a few seconds. Then guys, go again directly to add to DSers on the bottom, then wait a few seconds. Your product was imported successfully. AliExpress product was imported avec success. Then hit on import list, or you can go to DSers application and reload your browser. Then guys, go directly to scroll down to import list on the left side, then wait a few seconds. As you see guys, this is your product this is your product that you are imported from AliExpress. Then if you want to add it to your Shopify store, first guys, you need to edit the product, and you can easily customize your formation, product and variation, description, image, anything about this product. Then first guys, you need to customize your title. I prefer to reduce the title. Then for example, just an example guys, fitness equipment. Then guys, the reference weight, if you want to add it, or you can remove it. Then guys, you can add the collections and type and tags also, and gym, for example gym, and tap gym, for example workout, anything, any tags you can open. I will show you an example. Workout, how to create more tags. For example, go and hit the search bar tags, then go and open this one. Then guys, for example, go to your product and go, you can copy the title and open this one and select Google or any browser that you want, then paste it. Then it will give you the tags of your product. As you can see guys, push up, stand up, for example this one, you can copy this one, it's copied, then you can add it to your tags section, then hit enter. As you see guys, this is the easy method to add the tags. Then the vendor, it's not it's just on optional. Then guys, this is your Shopify account, then another Shopify account. Then guys, go directly to variation. Then guys, this is the product has I think more than it's 5 variation. You can reduce the variation if you want. You can remove this one to let the product only one variation, all the variation, and you can use only one variation on your product or any variation that you want. As you see guys, this is the product and the price and the copyright price, the stock on. As you see guys, this is the original price on AliExpress, I think. Then for example, you can increase the price 9.69. The stock, it's 155. Then after customizing the variation, then go to the description. Also guys, you can customize your description. You can add some information about this product. You can easily type the name product on Google or any browser, then it will give you more than this information. Then as you see guys, the picture, the description picture was imported also successfully. You see guys, this is the easy method and the best AliExpress imported product to your Shopify. As you see guys, this is the image. You can easily change the cover image. Then guys, the shipping info, this is, you can add the SKU, just an optional, and ship to which country that you want to ship this product. Then after editing and customizing your product, then go directly to the push to store or save. For example, you can easily save the product first, then go directly to push the store. As you see guys, this is the icon push to store. Then push to store and select which store that you want. You can select about store, for example. And first guys, make sure to select automatic inventory update, automatic price update, and the manual price update, and push all image to your online store. After selecting all this information, go and hit on push to store. Then wait a few seconds. Now guys, your product was imported. Then guys, if you want to check your product on your Shopify store, then go direct. As you see guys, your product was imported successfully. Then go to your Shopify store, then open your Shopify dashboard. Then guys, go and hit on orders, sorry, it's not orders, to product section. As you see guys, this is your product was imported successfully from AliExpress to your Shopify by using DSers application. As you see guys, it's very easy to import any product. If you are a dropshipper or you have a business owner or anything, this is the only method to dropship the product from AliExpress to your Shopify store. As you see guys, you can easily review your product on online store. Then hit on this eye icon. Then guys, this is the product on your Shopify store. This is how it look like on your account. Then guys, you can also go and open AliExpress to add another product, for example this one or any product. You can just easily click on add to DSers. As you see guys, it shows up automatically when your mouse go on your product, then add to DSers. Then for example, hit on add to DSers. Then wait, your product was imported successfully to DSers. Then go to DSers, then open your DSers application, then reload your page. Then guys, then hit on product import list section. Then wait a few seconds. As you see guys, also your product was imported successfully. Then you can easily push to store after editing your product. Then hit on push to store, then automatically your product will added to your Shopify store without no issue. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.